They banned her, tortured her, banished her, hoping silence would swallow her whole. But they made one fatal mistake with Winnie Mandela. They thought they could extinguish her spirit. Instead, they ignited a fire that burned apartheid to the ground. To truly understand the fall of apartheid, you have to understand some facts about the woman they could not silence. Fact number 1. The trailblazer. Long before the world knew her as Winnie Mandela, she was a trailblazer. She became the first black medical social worker at Johannesburg's main hospital, an act of defiance in a system designed to crush black ambition. Fact number 2. A marriage forged in resistance. Marrying Nelson Mandela in 1958 plunged her directly into the struggle. She was no quiet wife in the background. Soon after her wedding, she was arrested for protesting the hated pass laws. The voice of the voiceless. When Nelson Mandela was jailed for life, the regime tried to erase him. Winnie refused to be a footnote. She became his face and his voice to the world, a living, breathing embodiment of the resistance. Fact number 4. The 491 days that forged a weapon. In 1969, she was thrown into solitary confinement for 491 days. This systematic psychological torture was meant to shatter her mind. It failed. Fact number 5. Banished, not beaten. In 1977, they banished her to the remote town of Brandfort to make her invisible. The plan backfired. She turned exile into a new front line, starting community projects that drew even more international attention to the regime's cruelty. Fact number 6. The mother of a nation. Through her unbreakable defiance, Winnie Mandela earned the title Mother of the Nation. It wasn't a nickname. It was a declaration by the people that she was the fierce protector of the movement when other leaders were imprisoned. Fact number 7. The uncompromising voice after freedom. When apartheid fell, Winnie didn't become a quiet first lady. She became a sharp critic of the new government, including her own party. She argued that ending unjust laws had not delivered real economic justice to the poor black majority. Winnie passed away in 2018, but her legacy of complex, fiery defiance is more potent than ever. She proved one person's spirit can be more powerful than any prison, any banishment, or any campaign of terror. The state tried to silence Winnie Mandela, but they never understood that voices forged in fire don't fade away. They echo.